Well, this is a small project. I kind of forced to do this. I mean, it's nice, but I really was not intended to go for hands like that. But they are very practical, you know. Let me tell you my secret. So you can have any hand, any size, in any kind of plate. You can make it as tall as possible, you see. And then you just fold it, make it a sculpture. You see? Very practical. Easy. Decorative. You know. Anyway, let's see what's going on.